Vehicle repairs can be nuanced and complex, and diagnostic scan reports often raise just as many questions as they answer. What exactly needs to be fixed? How do you fix it? That's where asTech Insights steps in. Now more powerful than ever, asTech Insights combines advanced AI diagnostic technology with the expertise of certified technicians, delivering repair recommendations that are faster, more precise, and easier to act on. Trained on over 40 million DTCs and informed by thousands of technician-written recommendations, asTech Insights doesn't rely on canned responses. It thinks like a technician, identifying root causes and generating holistic, brand-specific repair plans in seconds. No matter if you're running an OEM-compatible scan or an unverified scan, asTech Insights goes to work immediately after your pre-scan is complete, delivering structured repair guidance tailored to the exact vehicle and DTCs found. It's like having your best tech available 24/7 for every vehicle that comes through your bay. With the latest upgrade, you'll experience step-by-step AI troubleshooting, enhanced contextual understanding, real-time vehicle-specific guidance powered by RAG-based architecture, detailed workflows and repair plans built into your scan report, and faster issue resolution, cutting diagnostic time and improving shop efficiency. And the best part? You'll see it all directly in your scan report and the asTech Connect interface, right where you need it. With asTech Insights, you can complete an OEM quality scan and generate a full repair plan in under 7 minutes. Embrace the future of vehicle diagnostics, powered by AI, built by technicians, and made for repair professionals like you.